One of the things that can really level up, change, or add to the sounds you already have in your projects is plugins. And if you're new to producing music, it can be nice to have some extra free plugins that you don't have to pay for. That's why in this video I'm going to recommend free plugins that are completely free to use. All three that I'm going to be showing in this video are ones that I personally use all the time, and hopefully you'll find use for them as well. First up, we have a plugin called OTT. So I find this plugin to be really good for combining sounds that you have layered on a lead, for example, or this could also be like a mid bass, but it's really good at making it sound more like one big sound. It can also be used to make different elements more present in your track without just increasing the volume of it. So I have this lead right here. It has been layered with a lot of different sounds right here, and this is what it sounds like with only an EQ on it. Here we can add the OTT plugin, which looks like this, and we can start by turning the depth down to 0. Then I like to, depending on the instrument I use, here I want to put up the mid frequencies and high frequencies. So as you can hear, it's way more present, it's way more full sound. If you just add a few more like a reverb, a stereo shaper, you now have a really cool sounding lead. Next we have Kickstart. So this is my favorite plugin to use for just simple sidechaining. So if we go back to this melody that I showed you before, I think this one could sound really cool with some sidechaining on it as well. So all we have to do is to select Kickstart. And this is the Kickstart demo, which is completely free. I still have it. You can also buy the full plugin. The only thing with the demo version of Kickstart is you can only use it on one mixing track, but I'll show you later what you can do about that. So what this does is it does some volume sidechaining, so it ducks and it makes that classic sidechain sound. Then I would probably turn it down a little bit. You can swap between these different weird sidechains. You can make some very weird things, but I'll just select this quick chain. So what you can do if you have the demo version and you would like to apply this effect on, say you also had a mid bass in your track or piano chords or whatever. So what you can do is select a new empty track. You can rename this sidechain, and then we can take our leads, for example, if we had a mid bass, we can take this one and right click this arrow and select route to this track only. And you can just route it through all of the things you want to have this effect applied to. And that's a way you can use this without having to buy the full thing yet. So third and final on the list is actually a stock plugin for FL Studio called Flex. So in my opinion, this plugin has some pretty good acoustic instrument sounds like pianos, guitars, and strings. And I would definitely recommend trying them out instead of something like the FL keys. So I've just went into the essential pianos, select all these different piano sounds, but I like this close grained. There's also a grand piano. Compared to the standard FL keys. So the reason why I'm including it here on the list is because I didn't use it for the longest time. So if I didn't really know about it, there's a chance that some of you might not know about it. It also has a wide range of other sounds that you could try out. I just primarily use it for pianos and strings and such. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button. And remember, you can go a long way with just the stock plugins in FL Studio and some of these free ones that I've suggested. Of course, if you have the ability to get some of the really high quality and expensive ones, go ahead. But it's definitely not a must-have. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.